Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix call screening not working or not showing on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So I'm provide full guide. Scroll down, press on apps, and you just find here your phone apps. Open this, scroll down. So look here, not showing here to my call screening option. So I'm provide solution. Open settings, press on general, scroll down and select language and region option. So you need to must be select any Europe country, like I'm select my USA. So like I'm select USA, I'm just select United States. Okay, alright, now changing this, go back and turn on airplane mode and turn off airplane mode after a few seconds, and you just restart your phone using your volume up button, volume down button and power button. Volume up, volume down, long press your power button until not showing here your Apple logo, not moving your finger. Okay, now I'm restart my phone. Open settings, scroll down, press on apps, scroll down, find your phone apps, open this, and as you can see now successfully I'm get call screening option. Just select this option, now it's turn on and you can enjoy this feature. So I hope you just follow my all process, then you get 100% solution.